you guys, good morning. Good morning. It's still 11:10. So I am currently about to leave the house. I know I haven't come on the vlog today, but I've been super busy this morning. So I got up this morning, took Jake to the bus stop. Then I went into my office and started ordering inventory. So I did get a lot of inventory, a couple of things, some new jewelry, some new fall winter items. So hopefully those will come soon. And then I scheduled my social media posts because you guys know Instagram and Facebook was down yesterday. So I had to catch up on that. And then I updated all of my devices to iOS 15. Everything except my iPad, my MacBook Air. I think I have the Air. Yeah, the Air. I haven't updated it. I'll update it when I get to the office. So I am going. If you guys didn't know, I'll be helping Alicia out, so I'm sort of like her assistant. And so I'll go over there and ship orders and stuff for her. So I'm going over there this morning to ship orders for her. I need to hurry up because I have a meeting at 12:30 that I'm going to take at the office. Multitasking. But I want to show you guys my outfit of the day because it's super cute. Very out of my norm, but cute nonetheless because it has a crop top. So I still have my braids in. I still have my earrings are from Living Fearless collection. This necklace with the K is from the Living Fearless collection. Then I have on this like cute crop sweater from House of Charlotte. I actually picked it up from her this weekend when you guys saw us do our girls monthly work like goal planning and stuff. So I bought that from her. Super cute. Actually, I need to pay her invoice. Sorry, girl. I'm coming. What is that? I can't get that off of there. Must be a sticker or something. Oh no, it's an elastic thingy. I'm going to cut that out. Okay, and then I have on my bralette from my shop under there. Just something super cute because it is cropped. And then you see that's how it looks. The bralette under there. And then I have on these black jeans from Gloria Vanderbilt. And then my new Doc Martens, you guys. Yes, I can already tell that I am going to be wearing the mess out of these Doc Martens because they're too cute. So it's really a gloomy day, so I'm just wearing all black, my favorite neutrals. So I'm about to get ready to go. So I will check with you guys when I get to the office. I have to stop by Alicia's house and drop off the tables that she let me borrow and pick some inventory up. Then head to the office, pack all the orders, take my meeting, and then take everything to the post office and come back. Try to be back home before Jalen gets out of school. So we're going to see how that works. So I will check with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I'm in the car. Racing against time. I have an hour. So I need to get to Alicia's house, drop off these tables, and get into the office and set up for this meeting at 12:30. It's only a 30-minute meeting, so no biggie. But I am upset because when I was in Cabo or somewhere between me leaving the house and getting to Alicia's house or to Cabo somewhere, I lost a little magnet thing that goes on the back of my phone so that it'll stick to our little phone thing. And these things are expensive, like $35. Shit. And now I don't lost the little back thing, so I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and see if I can just order the back thing and not have to order a whole thing for $30. And so I'll order a couple of them because the new way that they have them, the little part that attaches to this, it comes off because the magnet is so strong. It doesn't stick to this as strongly as it sticks to the one that's on the car. All the little rocks. And it used to not have this part right here. It used to just stick straight to your phone case, and then you didn't have to worry about it coming off because it was on your phone case. But this one doesn't do that. It has like the extra piece. I don't know what they thought when they was doing that, but that shit is trash because now I can't find it. I remember putting it inside of something, but what I don't know, because I've unpacked everything from Cabo. I've unpacked everything and I don't know where it is, and so I'm pissed because I can't find it. I'm most likely gonna have to buy another one or buy a replacement part. I swear, I don't think I stuck it in anything of Alicia's. I don't know, child. But anyway, so that part is missing. So I'm gonna have to get a new one. So now I can't have my phone up like I like to have it so I can see. You know how we are. I probably don't need it no damn way. But anyway, so I'm just headed to Alicia's, racing the clock. Got me a little bar to eat. I haven't eaten breakfast or anything because I told you guys once I get in creative mode in the morning, I can't do nothing else, so I'm gonna get sidetracked. It's not gonna work out for my life. So I'm gonna listen to some music and go ahead and get the rest of this day going. I have one meeting today and I'm here for it because that's all I want to do. That's all the energy I editing. So, but the good thing about me staying up editing, it got me ahead of the game. I literally just have to find some music tonight, make the thumbnail, and get that shit uploaded. So that's also another reason why I want to be home before Jayla gets home, so that I can continue editing and get it done and ready to go, to be out on time. I was on time yesterday, so I'll talk to you guys later. Now y'all, I literally sat here this morning and set up this freaking auto post in Facebook, and tell me why these bitches ain't auto post though. Where they at? Where they at, Facebook? Now I gotta do some troubleshoot. And I know I picked today because it showed it in the little thing. I picked 12 p.m. Ain't 12 in the afternoon 12 p.m.? Did I pick a.m.? Oh shit. I don't know. If I need to download now, I gotta download my Facebook business suite and figure out what happened, because I don't know what's wrong with this damn thing. I need to slack back my boss and ask him, okay, did you set up that email address that I need so I can finish this task today? I want to put that crap in there and finish it, and I don't want to see it no more. I don't want to see it no more. I'm going to need you to hook it up. So, I don't think he did, because when I logged into my emails this morning, I did not have access to that generic box. So we're creating a generic box at work where me and this other guy are in charge of our charge router handler. So if any errors come in somebody's build or something they're trying to export and import into the system is not working, it'll send us a message and let us know there's an error or something wrong with what they're trying to import. And I guess it's our job to try to fix it or either relay it to them that it's not working correctly or they did something wrong. Now I hope they don't think that we're supposed to know how to fix everything in the system, because like I said, we had a freaking 3-day crash course, and your girl don't know nothing beyond that course that's any more complicated. Because in courses, they're going to show you the simplest stuff, things that are straightforward, but that's not always the case. Everything that you do at work in a system is not straightforward. You have to work with it for years to become an expert in it, and it's just not something that you can't just know it from reading a book. You have to actually do it on a daily, monthly, yearly, years basis in order to become an expert in it. So that's my take on it, and they need to get with the program. So yeah, I'm almost to the office, so I will check with you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I did get into my meeting, so that's great. It didn't work out the way I needed it to, but it worked out nonetheless. I probably have to call my help desk to see how I can log in if I am not at my house in order to use the network Wi-Fi, but I'm like on a general Wi-Fi. They have a way to do it, because I know that a lot of our managers have that, because I know they use it everywhere, not just their house. So I need to figure that out. I need to figure out why Facebook did not auto post my stuff. I'm not happy. Alright guys, I am finished with my meeting. I think it ran over, because it ran over till 1:30. I'm gonna say this meeting supposed to be over at 1 o'clock, y'all. After the meeting, I figured out how to get in the computer correctly. Trash, I know, right? Hey, I didn't say I was a genius. Oh, that's such utter trash. I am weak. You know that? I am so weak. Well, good thing I know how to get in it now. So, why does it say I have 2 emails? Oh, because of that one. But I ain't in that box, so I'm not going to worry about that. Yeah, the meeting, no, oh, it was an hour. Oh, I guess I wasn't paying attention. So I have no more meetings today. I need to email my boss back and ask him if he's created that email address yet and can I use it. So anyway, let's put some music on and get to packing some orders, because now I'm probably gonna be behind. I'll just do my desktop up. Let's get some Pandora going. Let's see what we want to listen to. How loud these people TV is next door. Like, is they there or not? Yo, I'm about to print. Let me print out these labels right quick, y'all. I can't with these folks. They're doing too much. I mean, TV loud as fuck. Should bang on the wall, but it ain't my place, so I ain't gonna do it. My camera died. I didn't bring the extra battery. I am finished packing up all the orders, as you can see. I'm about to head down to the car. I'm getting a little pimple, you guys. Head down to the car. She has the most amazing lighting in this little studio apartment. Maybe I need to live in the studio. Nah, I need my room. But anyway, I'm about to pack up all of this stuff into this little wagon and take it down to the post office. I already saw on my Instagram. I'm gonna get an outfit of the day, but she got really, really good lighting over here. So this is my outfit, super cute. Y'all don't mind my little chubby stomach. I'm working on it. But this is such a cute shirt, I love it. And then, of course, I love my Doc Martens, you guys. These gonna be broke in so quick. And people are like, oh, they hurt, they're hard to break in. I can't tell. Maybe I'm used to just hard ass shoes, but they feel. Thing I told you guys about the sizing is the only thing I can't get an 8 because I know they'll be too little because I wear an 8.5, but these 9s are kind of big and I have them like the thickest socks that I own, so I might need to get like some boot socks for this winter just to make them a little bit thicker to hold on to. So here's all my stuff I need to collect, and I try to put everything back the way it was before I got here. You know what I'm saying? I'm that person who leaves their job the way they should, especially if I'm at my own desk. So let's just get these little boxes down to the post office. It's 6:12 and I'm home. And guess what? The vlog's gonna be late. Story of my life. It took me forever to get home. I gotta work out my schedule. My schedule ain't what I need it to be. But I'm pretty much finished editing the vlog. I just gotta put the finishing touch on it with like the social media stuff and then export and upload it. Uploading is what's gonna take the longest. I wish I was at work. At work, uploading only takes 5 minutes. I love uploading at work. That's about the best thing about going to work. Is when I go, I can upload my videos and it takes like 2 minutes. All right, guys, that's exporting, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, it's pretty late. It's 10:49 and I'm just laying in the bed and I'm about to watch Me Before You. It's one of my favorite movies. I feel like a romantic comedy. Is it considered a romantic comedy or romantic drama? I don't know. It could be a little comedy-ish drama. Of course, it's sad at the end, but it's still one of my favorite movies. I love Emma Clarke. I like all the movies she played in, and of course, her on Game of Thrones, of course. I love her. So I'm about to watch this, and it's raining really, really hard outside. I guess it's gonna be raining all week. I haven't even tried to check the weather. I need to update my phone. I need to do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna get my life together one day, y'all. I don't know when though. Just so you know. Ooh, look, they done updated the iPhone app. And look how the raindrops are dropping on it now. It's like dropping over the app. That's super cute. Updated to the iOS 15, yeah. Supposed to rain all the way until Friday. It'll be clear up Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's a good thing to know. They've updated the app pretty much a lot. It's really dope. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to call it a night. Hope you guys enjoyed this productive vlog because it was a very productive day. And I'll see you guys mañana. Deuces.